Hi there! Today on It Is a Keeper, we are making a classic summer salad, creamy broccoli bacon salad. This is one of those things that gets devoured at every potluck. Crunchy broccoli is mixed with crispy bacon and then coated in this tangy, creamy sauce. I mean, what's not to love? Now, before we get started, make sure you click on the subscribe button below so you're notified whenever I share new recipes. And if you'd be so kind as to give this a thumbs up, that would be awesome too. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do to make this broccoli salad is to start with the dressing. So it's a mayonnaise-based dressing. So here I have some mayonnaise. We're gonna get that into the bowl. Then we're gonna add a squirt of lemon juice. So I'm just going to cut this guy in half, and I like to just squirt it over my hand so I can catch any seeds that come out and they don't end up in my dressing. There's one. Okay, next up we're gonna keep going with that tanginess. I have some red wine vinegar that I'm going to add into the salad, and a little bit of sugar because we want that sweetness. All right, we're gonna give that a whisk just to get everything combined. Okay, so the first thing we're going to pile in here, of course, is the broccoli. After all, it is a broccoli salad. So let me move this over. And we want to cut our broccoli into tiny florets. So I just kind of take my knife blade and go as close to the top as I can to get them as small as possible. You don't want any big pieces of broccoli in there. So I just kind of work my way around there with my knife, trying to get them as tiny as possible. And if you do get a big piece that comes off, you can just chop it in half. Okay, so our broccoli is chopped. We're going to keep building on here, and we're adding the best part, in my opinion, and that is some crumbled bacon, right? Bacon makes everything better. It's kind of like garlic. And then we're going to add some cheddar cheese. So you can shred it yourself or buy it pre-shredded. Once again, I have chosen the wrong size bowl. So please make note of that and use a large bowl. Do as I say, not as I do. But if you've watched this channel before, you know this is something I say all the time. I always choose the wrong size bowl. Okay, last up, we have some red onion that I've diced. We're going to get that in there and we're gonna spill it all over the board. Okay. So now, because I have a bowl that is way too small, I'm going to very carefully fold everything together to get that dressing from the bottom into the top. And this smells so good, the onion with the bacon, I can smell it. Now, if you really want to take this over the top, my friend Louise puts craisins and chopped walnuts in here to give it extra texture and sweetness. It is so good. She makes it every year for this Memorial Day party that I go to, and it gets devoured every time. People ask for the salad. It's that good. Okay, this is just about done. Just a couple more spins here with the spatula. Okay, we are just about done. I'm going to add a little bit of my house seasoning blend just to season it up. I mean, everything needs a little salt too, to bring it together. So put a little bit of that in there and give it one final stir to mix through. I mean, the bacon does add some saltiness, but you do need that little bit of extra oomph. Okay, this is looking fantastic. Now, this is definitely one of those salads that gets better as it sits. So I would recommend making this, an hour or two at least before you're going to serve it. Give it time to really come together. Set it in the fridge and let it hang out, and those flavors will just really start to come alive as the vinegars permeate everything and the lemon juice gets in there. Now, if you want your broccoli a little softer, you could try soaking it in water for about an hour or two, and that'll help soften up those florets. But you can choose to do it right off the stem like I did, or soak it. That's entirely up to you. But let's dive in. I can't wait to give this a try. I want to get a forkful with a little bit of everything on it. Wait, I'm going for a piece of bacon here. There we go. That was like a barbecue picnic on a fork. It is the perfect summer salad. You have to give this a try. Thanks for watching. You can get the printable recipe in the video description below. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss a single thing, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find more of my favorite easy recipes and quick tips. I'll see you next time. Bye.